The step-by-step communicator is a great little device that you can use to help your student interact with his or her classmates. But you need to know how to program it. So I'm going to show you how to do that right now. First of all, you have to have a 9-volt battery that sits right in this little space here on the underside of the device. But remember, you can't use a rechargeable battery or the device won't function properly. Then you have to turn it on, and you do that by rotating the volume switch, which is located right here on the back of the device, to the right until you hear it click, click, and now you know it's on. Then to begin to record a series of messages, you have to depress the record button twice, and it's located right under my finger here. Click, click, and it's ready to record. So I'm going to record a knock-knock joke for my student to use when she's playing with her classmates at recess, and I'll show you how I'm going to do it. As I speak, I'm going to depress this red button, and when I'm finished speaking, I'll let it go, just like this. Hey, do you want to hear a joke? And then if I want to continue recording messages, I just carry on, just like I just showed you. Knock, knock. Emma. Am I cracking you up? Now let's see if that recorded properly, but first, to finish the series of recordings, I have to press this little button again under my finger twice. Click, click. Now we're ready to listen. So let's see.
Hey, you want to hear a joke?
Yeah, that sounded pretty good. So the classmates would say, yep, I want to hear your joke.
Knock, knock.
Who's there? They'd say.
Emma.
Oh, I didn't hear that. So if you want to replay a previously recorded message, you just press that button again once, just like this. Now it will play back the message you just recorded.
Emma.
So it repeated it. Now if you want to stop repeating messages, then you click that little button again. Click. And it'll just carry on as you intended it to.
Am I cracking you up?
So that's as simple as it is. It's a great little device. Have lots of fun with it.